here we are. We're going to look at doing the wiring on the Mockingbird, and this is part 1, wiring the three-way switch. Okay, we have two sets of wires here. We have a purple and a grey wire together, and they're the longest wires you're going to get in the kit. And we have a red, brown, black and white. They're slightly shorter than the grey and purple. Now it doesn't matter if you end up using different coloured wires, so long as you follow the same steps it will all work out. So what's going on here is we have twisted the red wire, the brown wire and the purple wire together, and these are going to be attached to the outside of the three-way switch. Two of the wires, the brown and the red, are going to go to our volume pots or our volume controls, and the purple wire is going to end up going to our jack plug, and that's why it's longer, because it needs to go all the way through the body and out the back. Okay, so just soldering that on. So there should be like a little ring that you can just bend up, and you should be able to put those three wires through that ring on the outside of the switch. So that leaves us with a black and a white wire and the grey wire. So the grey wire goes in the centre. Now remember, it's the grey wire and the purple wire that are going to go to the jack plug. So we're putting that through the centre little hole. Remember, they're the longest ones you're going to get in the kit, because they need to go all the way through the body. So one's been soldered to the centre pin and one has been soldered to the shield. It should make sense. Alright, so here, just jumped a bit, we're soldering the black and the white to the two outer pins. Now think of it this way. Those are going to go to the volume pots, and the volume pots also need to be earthed, and that's why we soldered the other two wires to the outside of the switch. So everything now has an earth and an active. Okay, so I hope that makes sense, and tune into part 2.